RPD is upset with a city judge because he didn't jail a 19-year-old accused of shooting bullets at an ex-girlfriend's house. The judge put the teen on an ankle monitor and said he could only go to work and home. But this afternoon, the judge ordered the ankle bracelet removed. Chief Investigative Reporter Berkeley Breen is live at City Court. Burke, why did this ankle monitor come off?
It came off, Brett, because the district attorney's office did not go through with a custody hearing that was scheduled at 2 o'clock. Now, even though this teen wasn't in jail or didn't have bail, an ankle monitor in New York is considered custody, so he was entitled to this hearing. Without the hearing, the bracelet had to go. And RPD says the system is leaving an alleged domestic violence victim out to dry.
Police say Andre Smith, in the green hoodie, shot up his ex-girlfriend's house on Valentine's Day. It happened here on Baldwin Street.
His felonies qualify for bail in New York, but he was sent home with an ankle bracelet and told where he could and could not go.
What does RPD think should have happened to him in court?
There needs to be accountability. There needs to be accountability to these offenders, and we need to incorporate victims into this, because right now the victim is left out to dry.
So you believe that he should have been detained?
Absolutely.
The city court judge is Van White. Judges are barred by law from commenting on active cases. But in court today, he said he was forced to remove the monitor when there was no hearing. The Willow Domestic Violence Center says domestic violence in Rochester is 3 times the state average. It's higher in Monroe County, too.
In a statement for this story, Willow writes, in part, "We respect the role of the court and the independence of the judiciary. And we also believe that our community deserves a coordinated response that prioritizes survivor safety, accountability, and the reality of domestic violence risk. They call domestic violence a public safety crisis."
Just before Christmas, 3 RPD officers were shot during a domestic violence case. And last year, 14 officers were hurt in domestic violence cases.
Are there sections of the criminal code that involve domestic violence that you could charge somebody with that would make it more likely that they would be kept in jail?
No, there's aggravated family offense when there's orders of protection in place.
Well, that's on the back end.
That's on the back end. That's after an order of protection is issued and they violate it again.
Judges set conditions like bail or like an ankle monitor to get people to come back to court when they're scheduled to be in court. And Andre Smith came back to court today. Brett, even though the district attorney's office did not go through with this custody hearing, when Smith was arraigned last week, they requested $25,000 bail.
So, Burke, what happens now?
Well, Smith will be back in city court, back in front of Judge White next week. He was ordered to have a mental health evaluation. And when the judge was on the bench, he had a report that showed 9 violations of the ankle bracelet by Smith over the course of a week, mostly for not charging it. But at that point, Judge White said the issue was moot. There was no hearing. The bracelet had to go.
Very interesting. All right, Burke, thank you. We're reaching out to the chair of the Crime Victims Committee in the state Senate. We want to know if they've ever considered special domestic violence crimes. The city of Rochester has a victim assistance program that includes safety planning. The number is 585-428-6630. We link the program in the story at WHEC.com. If you or someone you know is being abused, help is available 24/7. Willow Domestic Violence Center offers a confidential hotline at 585-222-SAFE, as well as an emergency shelter, counseling, and legal support. You can also have a live chat with an advocate privately. The website is right there on your screen. For immediate danger, always call 911.